Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Simply Guitar, Learn and Play Guitar app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Simply Guitar is a mobile app guitar lesson platform aimed primarily at beginners. It uses your device's microphone to listen as you play and gives real-time feedback on chords, strumming, and songs. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Simply Guitar for its friendly, gamified interface, strong focus on getting you playing real songs quickly, and helpful beginner path structure. However, some reviews caution that the app offers limited depth for intermediate or advanced players, and the microphone-based detection occasionally misflags correct playing. In summary, the Simply Guitar app may be worth using if you're just starting out with guitar and want an easy-to-use, fun tool to learn chords, strums, and songs. However, if you're working toward advanced technique, improvisation, or deep music theory, you may need additional resources. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.